Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul for you guys. February, it's a very exciting month for us because it's got Valentine's Day. It's the month that we met when we were in university, and it's also my birthday month. So we did a little damage this month, but that's okay. It's all for celebration. So I actually order 5 items or purchase 5 items in total this time. But 2 of the items, when I went into the store, they didn't really have it. So it's coming in the mail, so I'll probably get it sometime next week, and then I'll make a separate video on that. But I was able to get 3 out of the 5 items in store. So I'm just gonna do this video of those 3 items and to see you what I've got, because I just can't wait to show you what I've got. And it is, you guessed it right. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first item is a little plate that I saw when I was browsing in the store. I know there's this Mosaic 24 gold plate collection. I saw it online. I saw some Instagrammer have it, and I've been wanting to get the whole set. It comes with like butter plate, a sushi plate, like a huge round plate, dinner plate, salad plate, soup, I don't know. But when I went to the store, actually the first time when I went into my local Hermès boutique, I asked for the whole set, but my SAE told me that because of COVID, everybody's just been buying a lot of plates and like home goods. I don't know why. I guess home becomes like very important when you're stuck at home like 24/7. So she told me everything is out of stock and it's just kind of slowly trickling in, but she can't tell me like when they'll come in or what items will come in, because a lot of their items are actually held at custom because of COVID as well too. So I got this maybe like the 3rd or 4th time when I went back to the store, and I saw it on the shelf and I immediately fell in love with it. I don't know what I will use this for, but I just really like how the detail on this plate, I don't know, I just really liked it. I probably would use it as a jewelry plate, so like maybe my rings or like earrings or something, but I've been wanting to collect this collection. So I'm not sure if I'm saying this collection right, but like at the back you can see it's Mosaic 24, and I believe this comes in the gold collection and the platinum collection. I didn't see the platinum collection in the store. I only saw this, and it was just this one single item when I went back into the store. But I think I would have preferred the gold over the platinum anyway, but I think the platinum would be nice too. So that is the first item. Moving right along. Okay. Okay, so this is also part of the Mosaic 024 collection. Excuse me if I'm not saying the collection name right. And this is the 5th time, or like, okay, the visit after I got the small little plate, whatever time the visit that I went back to the store. And then I saw that they have this on the shelf now, so I immediately picked this one up too. I think it's supposed to be a butter plate. I mean, it's not that big, but I'm not planning to use this whole collection to actually, like, you know, use it for food, but I just like to collect nice plates. Like, I actually have a lot of like bowls and plates, like trinkets around the house, and I just use it as display and like decorations and stuff. So I also purchased a little like plate display, and that will be coming in soon, and I just plan to put this plate on display on my counter or on the shelf or something. I just really love the detail, and I love how, so with Hermes, their newest plate dishes collections, it's not obvious that it's Hermes because it's like very greenery, very like nature focus, but I love this is the older collection, and it obviously has the H on it, so it's very obvious. But I also do like the detail on this. And I think gold really matched the tone of my house. As you can see, there are a lot of yellow, so I think this would be a great addition to my house decor. So again, this is the Mosaic 024 gold side plate. I don't know if you guys would like to see the product number. Maybe it may be helpful for you to track one down if you like it. I saw this Instagrammer, she bought a same collection, but it was a sushi plate, and I love it. She used it as a jewelry plate. She puts her necklace and earrings on it, and I would really love to get that too. But as I mentioned before, my Etsy said that a lot of the dish collections are now out of stock because everybody's just been buying them during pandemic. So I'll see, she'll let me know if more of this collection comes in. I would love to collect the whole thing. The price of this side plate, it was, I think, $136 in USD, which is a great value because it's the same price as this tiny little dish here. I know. I had no idea how much this little plate cost at the time when I purchased it. I didn't know until I was paying at the counter. It was a little shocking to me, but I mean, given it's Hermes, it's all reasonable, I guess, you know. But then when I grabbed this plate, when I went back to the store and purchased this plate, I was shocked that this is basically the same price as this little side plate. I was thinking if this cost $100, this must have cost like $300. But no, it was the same price, and I think that's the best value purchase you can get in Hermes, because I think a bar of soap was like $50. So and that's not something you can keep forever, but this you can. So great value. And I don't know how much the other dishes would cost in this collections. They're not even available online anymore to search for it, but I would think they're not more than $300 even for the big dishes, because if this is only 100 something, like I can't imagine those more than $300. So, but the most expensive out of the three. So this is what I got my husband for Valentine's Day. It is a car holder. My husband doesn't like bulky wallet because he likes to like tuck his wallet inside his pocket, so he does not ever use an actual wallet. He's only been using car holders, and I mean, I think most of us only carry cards now. We hardly carry cash, so I think that's fine. So this is, I don't have the exact name. I wish I have the receipt, but I can link the exact name of this car holder down below. But I believe this is Epsom leather. So it feels very soft. And obviously with outside stitching, so when you open it up, it's got the Hermes logo stamp here, and inside there's 2 car slots on each side, and there's 2 more slots like that where you can put more cars or cash. So prior to purchasing this, my husband had the LV car holder, which is the exact same size. So if you guys have the LV car holder, you can see that it's pretty much the same size. But the LV car holder, it's a little more bulky. And then the Hermes is very thin. But the leather seems very sturdy and high quality. So I don't think it matters if the LV is more bulky. In terms of storage, like, let's do a comparison. So the LV card holder has a little more slots, card holder slots, because there's got 3 here, 4 actually, and then one, 2 on this side, and then obviously the 2 inside slots, but plus the back slit too. So I think there's a little more storage room for the LV card holder, but nevertheless, when we tried this on, like my husband was able to fit all his cards and cash that he used to put in this wallet in here. So plenty of room, and it didn't seem to stretch out the leather either. When we try to fit everything in, it fit everything comfortably, so I think that's enough. The one thing my husband did mention is that he liked how much lighter this is and how less space this takes up when he puts it into his back pocket jean, because like I said, the LV one, it's quite bulky. It's a lot thicker. Like I don't know how much thicker, I didn't really measure, but maybe you can see, but like it's a lot thicker. So even without anything in it, it's already kind of takes up a lot of real estate. But this, it's very, very light and thin. So with just a few cards and a little bit of cash, like you won't even feel that you're carrying a wallet. So he does really like that. So when he sits down or like bent over, he doesn't feel like, you know, it's bulky or restricting him. So that's a plus. We picked this color. I believe it also comes in a black color, but black is boring, so we just picked this one other color. I'm not sure if it actually comes in other colors, but at the store they only had the black and this brown, and I really like the brown. It's something that is a color that he's never had before. It's young. I don't know. I just really like it, so we ended up going with the brown. In terms of pricing, the LV card holder, when we purchased this like couple years ago, I believe it was 400 something. It's gone up in price because LV had their price increase, so I think it's 500 something now, but don't quote me on it. But when we bought it 2-3 years ago, it was definitely 400. This is retails at $730, so after tax it was close to $800. So it's basically double the price of the LV card holder, which is, you know, I would say relatively expensive for just, you know, a card holder, but not so expensive when you compare to a Chanel card holder, because, you know, like that little thing can only hold like 2 cards, and it's, I don't know with the price increase, I don't know how much it is now, but I think this is still way more worth it than the Chanel card holders. But my husband do really feel like he likes the quality of the Hermès card holder. It's something that you could see and you could feel, and the leather feels very, very smooth. And my husband also liked the fact that, you know, like that it doesn't have a very obnoxious H on it, like the Hermès logo H. I'm a very showy person, and he hardly wears anything that has like a big logo on them. So he likes that this is minimalistic style, and that the logo, it's very, very small, and you can hardly see it. So that's one thing he really likes. So it was the same reason that he got this wallet, because you can hardly see the imprint of the LV on this corner. Obviously it's on the inside, but it's still a little kind of it's not too obvious to tell, so he does like that.